back to another video. My name is Priscilla. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and I'm actually at my parents' house right now. I get my mail delivered here because in my area it's like a brand new area and they're always leaving stuff in other people's mailboxes. Here at my mom's house, the post office is pretty consistent with delivering packages, so I always just get my stuff mailed here. So I couldn't wait, so I just decided to film here. This room is like my old room when I used to live here, and it's literally under construction. As you can see, all this carpet is going to be removed and she's gonna put some nice wood floors in here. So she has a mess going on and I know she's going crazy. But anyways, inside this box, I ordered a Louis Vuitton Saintonge. I think that's the way you pronounce it. And oh, by the way, excuse the nails. I took off my acrylic nails and I've been kind of letting my nails breathe a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit, let them rest, and then, you know, you should have really nice nails later on. So I apologize for the nails. So excuse my nails, please. All right, so I have been eyeing this bag for a while. I haven't seen it in person. I've seen it in catalogs and stuff like that. And so when I saw it, I was like waiting for it to come out, and then it did. And then it was sold out everywhere, and finally it came back into stock. And so I decided to order it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and I guess like a first impressions. So I'm really excited about this one. So here we go. This is like the most complicated box ever. I basically tore up all the box. Alrighty, let's see. Woo! Oh my god, this is the first time. This is the first time I get a ribbon. I was complaining that they don't ship ribbons. And I only got one during Christmas, and I'm excited. Look at how nice that is. Woo-hoo. Boom. So it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I don't even want to open it. Just kidding. All right, here you go. Oh, it has a little. It even has a little thing right here. I've never had that. How cute. Ugh. So pretty. What does this say? I apologize, but I've never gotten one of these, so I'm pretty excited. How look at the little folder. Oh my god. So it's a blank little card. So I guess if you were to like give this to somebody, I don't know, if it were a gift, I guess. Yeah, that's super cute. It's a gift to myself. Okay, and woo. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. I really hope I love that smell. And ta-da! Here it is. The brand new Louis Vuitton Saintonge. Saintonge, I think that's the way you say it. It's pretty cute. Let me see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this is the back. The only thing that I don't like, and that I'm sure you guys have heard if you've been looking for this bag, is that the strap is not removable. That's such a shame because there's so many other really nice straps. I have like a chain one from my Felici, and then I have the monogram strap from my Pochette Métis. So I think it would have been really nice to swap them out, but I guess Louis Vuitton said, no, you're stuck with this strap. I just hope it fits my body frame, and I'll check that out right now. This is kind of hard to open. See? And there's an inside. I love that. I apologize for I keep on smelling them. And that's the Saintonge card. And it's just the care card. But yeah. So cute. It reminds me of my, hold on. Okay, I thought it was a scratch, it's just a plastic, but you guys see that? Sorry, don't look at my nails, but yeah, it looked like a scratch. But anyways, it's just a plastic. But what do you guys think? It's super cute, right? It reminds me of my Gucci Soho Disco. And that's kind of why I got it, because I love that bag. I did a whole review on it, like a what's in my bag, and it looks like this is like kind of the same size as that one. If you guys want me to do a comparison video between those two, I can definitely do them. They're very close. But I love that one, but you guys know that my first love is Louis Vuitton. So I kind of wanted something like that in Louis Vuitton, and here it is. So let's check out the strap. The strap, it looks like it's just one size, which sucks. So this is how it fits on my body frame. It's kind of like the perfect size for me. I think it sits right where it's supposed to, the length that I want, so I got really lucky. I am 5'1.5" for reference, and I weigh about 135 pounds, so I'm pretty short, and like on the curvier side. Cute bag. I'm so excited to wear it, and yeah, I love this thing right here. What I love about my Pochette Métis is this thing right here. It makes it really easy to get in and out of the, like to wear in and out. But this one, it looks like it's like really in there. First impressions, I love it. I know that this is gonna crease over time, which I'm really nervous. If you can see, there's already some creases in there. But I guess it is what it is. Overall, like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna inspect it real good and start wearing it. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about this or anything else, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for having patience with me. I will try to do more videos, but it's just, my life is a little crazy right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed already. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.